Hey y'all, for today's recipe, we're making some cute Valentine's Day strawberry stuff with cheesecake. Absolutely delicious, and they're so cute too. So stay tuned to see how it is done, and let's get started. All right, here we have some strawberries. You guys can see they're nice and red. I got them from Publix, and you know Publix do sell good quality stuff, good quality produce. That's where I get my fruit from because they always on point, they always sweet. So what we're going to do with these strawberries, we're going to wash them. They already washed. You can see it clearly. And then we're going to remove the stems from them and make sure we wipe them with a napkin. Okay? Once you're done, we're going to cut the top of them. Okay, not too much, just a little bit because we want it to sit basically kind of upside down. So that's why I'm cutting that part off because it won't be able to sit on by itself. So we have to remove that part. Also, I am going to cut the bottom of the strawberries as well, which is where we're going to add the cheesecake. Okay, so keep on watching to see how it is done. Now once I am done, this is what they look like I told you guys, I am going to cut the bottom part of it, but before I do, I am going to remove the core of the strawberries. Okay, just remove them so we can stuff them with the good old cheesecake. Do you like cheesecake? I know I do. I love cheesecake, guys. After this recipe, of course, I had to make myself some cheesecake. And yes, I do have a cheesecake recipe. I will link it down below, and I might put it on a card for you guys right now. Check it out. All right, now it's time for me to cut the bottom of them. I don't know why I didn't do it. It's like, how am I gonna make them sit on there, behind? So I had to remove that part. As you guys can see, every one of them I cut, I try to place them in the plate to see if they're going to stay by themselves. So make sure once you cut the bottom part, make sure you cut it straight so it can sit. Okay. All right, these are our strawberries, nice and pretty. Now that we have our strawberries nice and prepped, now we're going to move on to our white chocolate. Now you can use regular chocolate chip, but I like using white chocolate, so that's what we're using. I forgot what brand I use, but it is a good brand because some of them, especially when you microwave them, they become hard and stiff. They're not nice and they don't melt nicely. But this one is a good brand. I forgot the name. I'm gonna try to put it down in the description box for you guys. Check it out. So I'm going to microwave this for about 30 seconds. Boom, you have your chocolate chip nice and melted just like that. And then what I am going to do is take a fork, and then I am going to take my strawberry, dip it inside the white chocolate. And I am going to do it for all of my strawberries until everything is covered. Next, you're going to place them in a plate and place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes until your white chocolate is set. Okay? Now it's time to make our no-bake cheesecake filling. Okay? I'm using cream cheese, with powdered sugar and some vanilla extract. Now what you're going to do is mix them well together. You can use a spatula if you want. I just use a hand mixer because it's easier. And make sure your cream cheese is room temperature so you won't have any trouble mixing it together, okay? Once you mix it together, make sure you taste it. Make sure it has enough, powdered sugar or vanilla extract in there to make it really nice and tasty. Once you are done, place it in a piping bag and place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Now moving on, I have some graham crackers that I am going to mash down so I can have my crust, my base, just to give you that, cheesecake taste. So I had to go a little bit above and beyond. Once I have my graham crackers nice and fine, I went ahead and add the graham crackers at the bottom of the strawberries. As you guys can see, the strawberries are nice and set. And then I take my cream cheese or cheesecake filling and just swirl it all over the strawberries, make it nice and cute. Okay, and basically that is it. And trust me, you're gonna taste it, you will think you're eating a regular cheesecake. It's really good, it's cute or whatever, but it tastes really, really delicious, nice and sweet with that cheesecake flavor. I love cheesecake, okay? If you know me, you know I love cheesecake. But that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's nice, it's cute. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.